Hi, I'm Sasha. I'm an ACCA affiliate and I just completed my exams in April. One of my friends who was studying at a university in Pune and they had just discovered what ACCA was and they were having ACCA classes there. She encouraged me to look it up and I did because I just completed my 12th grade. And the reason I found Zell in particular was, I'm not making this up because I'm sitting here and doing a testimonial for Zell, but I actually Googled best ACCA institute in Mumbai and that's how I found Zell. And I immediately called them up to enroll as an ACCA student to find out more about what it was. And before I knew it, I was online with somebody who answered the phone and said, "Hi, this is Zell Education." And I started asking a series of questions. I assumed I was talking to a receptionist actually, a man. I asked him a set of questions. He gave me some tips on how I could enroll, how it was perfectly okay that I just completed my 12th, I didn't have to be a graduate and so on and so forth. And at the end of the conversation, I distinctly remember I asked him, "Are you an ACCA?" And he said, "Yes, I am." I said, "Can I ask you a question?" And he said, "Yeah, sure." And I said, "Are you happy in life?" And the man, he was a bit stumped, and for a second or two he recovered himself and said, "Yes, I am. It's better than doing just a graduate degree," and so on and so forth. And later discovered that I was talking to Pratham, who was the founder of Zell Education and the co-founder. And I assumed I was talking to a receptionist because he was so enthusiastic. He was so forthcoming about what the course was about, what Zell was all about. And that's what actually sparked something in my mind. And I thought to myself, I'm going to enroll here. After I began, I enrolled myself and everything. I got a call from Zell's office and a student mentor told me that there was another girl who was staying close to where I lived and she could travel with me since I live about 2 hours away from where Zell's office was at the time. And that sparked what I believe is a lifelong friendship with another ACCA affiliate who is pursuing her master's now. So we sort of formed a rapport. We'd go to our classes together, and that's where we discovered how passionate the teachers at Zell were. One of my first teachers at Zell was Miss Aisha. She was fantastic, approachable. She never made us feel like anything less than people who could be ACCA affiliates, because going in, I was a bit overwhelmed with everything. I thought that maybe I couldn't pull it off given all the numbers I had to work with, and being someone who's not particularly good with numbers, I was a little overwhelmed at the start. But the teachers, the student mentors put me right at ease. They guided me at every step. And in fact, I would like to say they broke up the syllabus in such a way that it was easy for everybody at every level to understand. There were people who had finished their graduation. There were people just out of 10th, out of 12th. The teachers especially, I would like to mention Miss Aisha and Mr. Jigar, who were fantastic at giving us real life examples and allowing us to discover how ACCA could actually help us further our careers and change the way we thought down the line. Now that I've completed my exams and I'm an ACCA affiliate, I'm looking to start working as a full-time chartered accountant. It's not easy to start something like that on my own, so I'm grateful that we have a placements team at Zell that is helping me out with the same. The student mentors are in touch with me, keep sending me new opportunities, they keep forwarding my resumes to the big companies. I'm grateful for that. And as I work as a writer anyway, I wondered if it would be difficult for me to sort of juggle my job search and my current job and commitments. But the fact that I have student mentors who are guiding me along the way is fantastic. Given that I've completed my advanced audit and assurance paper, I'm looking to work in audit, and I'm glad to say that the mentors have taken that into account when they're sending me job opportunities. I'm very grateful for that, and I look forward to working as an ACCA freshly qualified with the help of Zell. So any new students who are just out of 12th or fresh graduates looking to kickstart their career in finance, in audit, in taxation, anything like that. I know that this is India and everyone keeps harping on about CA and how you should be a CA, but I would like to say it's much more flexible. It's much easier to handle, even though it's just as challenging, but it's much easier to handle your education if you're willing to become an ACCA, particularly if you want a career abroad, because I'm already seeing opportunities for people like me abroad. If you'd like to broaden your horizons, I would personally like to say that there's no better place to do it than Zell.